So Libra, some of you guys have been going through the most with somebody that you are dealing with or you were currently dealing with. But Spirit is saying you need to let go of this person, okay? It's time. They need to go bye-bye. You know, it's time to move in a new direction, okay? Now, you could have a child or, you know, children with this person or just consider them like family. Some of you guys could be, you know, healing from some type of like family situation if it doesn't involve this person. But I just feel like Spirit is saying they need you to let whoever you've been dealing with go. You know, whatever took place with this person in the past, whatever took place in the past when it comes to family, they want you to, you know, keep moving in the right direction. They want you to heal. Just basically continue to work on you because you guys have blessings coming in. And it's up to you, I feel like, when, because you guys got to keep putting in the work. You know, you need to figure out what it is that you want, and I'm gonna need you to figure this out like right now, okay? Because I want the best for y'all. So I'm picking up this energy where it's just like, you know, as Libras, you know, we got to balance the scales out. You know, we have a big heart. We like to give and give and give, you know, to people. And a lot of times it could be to the wrong person or the wrong individuals where we get taken advantage of, okay? So a lot of you guys, I need you to learn how to set boundaries. And I'm telling you this because I had to learn, okay? And I'm very fine with saying no, and there's no explanation as to why I'm telling you no. It's just a no, okay? So some of you guys, I need you to work on that, okay, and keep moving in the right direction because you guys have something big coming in, but it's gonna come in once you put in the work. Now, for others of you guys, I feel like there is this energy from the past still lingering, right? And I feel like whoever messed up this person wants to come back in to work things out with you, but they still have some work to do with themselves, okay? First of all, they need to release an ex that they've been dealing with because, let's just say, some of them, I'm picking up like two different types of energies from this past person. I feel like for some of them, they're still in a relationship or some type of commitment with this person that they need to get out of. For others of you, I feel like they already left this person alone, but they still somewhat communicate with them, or there's some type of like dealings that they have, you know, but they need to just 100% cut this person off. So they need to do what they need to do, cut it off. A lot of them could be in like a family situation with this person, or they're dealing with like some type of family obligation where they could be helping out family, you know, financially speaking, or just, you know, being there for people, or honestly it could even be childhood trauma. So this is why I said with them, they have to make some serious changes. So I'm just seeing changes for both scenarios. Everybody needs to kind of like do their own thing, focus on themselves, move forward. All right, Libra, let's hop in. Y'all about to wear me out. Alright, let's see. Preaching on a Sunday. Alright. Alright, guys, here we go. So, bottom of the deck, 5 of Cups. So, see what I'm saying? I feel like there's just a lot of sadness here. I do feel like somebody could feel like they lost you. Somebody could have taken a financial hit. So, let's see. What's going on? Somebody could be dealing with the Sagittarius, but I'm seeing that somebody definitely wants to balance things out. They want to balance the situation out. Okay. Yep. There's the Ace of Pentacles. So I feel like there's an offer coming in. There's definitely an offer coming in to you, but remember I told you, I picked up on this energy where, you know, as Libras, we keep giving and giving and we go above and beyond helping people. I'm kind of picking the same energy up for whoever this is resonating for. So Libra, this could be somebody that you were dealing with, or cross watcher. If you're dealing with a Libra, this is what's going on. But I feel like in order for someone to balance things out within themselves and also with you, they may have to cough up some type of money, or they may have to give to someone else. So let's see. But I'm definitely picking up this energy where they want to come back and work things out and give you the offer that you deserve. So let's just see. See what I'm saying? This person had you waiting And it is something pertaining to money. They had you waiting around, and that's why at one point they were frustrated, but they're coming out of that energy because they don't want you to wait anymore. But with the Seven of Swords and the Knight of Wands reversed, this is letting me know whoever you were dealing with, this person definitely was a player. Somebody was definitely playing around. They were being very sneaky, and this is why they're having a hard time coming towards you to speak their truth. Yes, they are going to come, but they're still moving a little slow. Because even what just caught my eye before that card just flipped out like that, I'm seeing 2 sevens. So I'm telling you, they were in some type of situation where I feel like somebody was holding on, and it definitely had something to do with finances, or they were holding on to someone because it had something to do with some type of financial gain. But this person is coming out of this energy of feeling like they were losing something. It's more so down. Yeah, but they're feeling like they're not going to have a new opportunity with you. Tell me more. Yep, they're having a hard time, guys. They're having a hard time because they're regretting everything. They're regretting what they put you through, but this person, I feel like whoever this is, like, that I'm picking up on, it's like, they feel like they have the weight of the world on their back. Like, this person does a lot, and I feel like it's for a lot of different people. And it's like, if they carry one more stick, it's over. You know what I'm saying? Like, all of this is going to drop. So this part, I'm telling you, this person has to make some changes, whoever this is. But they're regretting how they treated you. See? Because I told you, they were feeling stuck in a situation. They're going to free themselves. They're going to get out of it. But this is also them coming back towards you to speak up. Because this person, I feel like they kind of just keep things to themselves. But they want happiness with you. Clarify the Sun. But they know that they didn't balance things out. They didn't do right by you. And this is why there's hesitation here. Because they're going to have to speak their truth if they want a victory with you. I can't make it up. Yeah. You guys are not reaching out. You guys are not making plans. You're like, nope, I'm done. I feel like a lot of you guys closed the door. And that's why I was telling you in the beginning, like, Spirit is saying you're going to have to let this person go. Because some of you guys, I feel like, I'm picking up this energy of you were waiting around, and that's why I always make it clear. I don't care if it's a soulmate or a twin flame and you guys know this is your person. It may just be a not right now, or it could be a situation to where, yes, this is your person, but at the same time, they're nowhere near where you're ready to be, so you have to focus on yourself and move forward, because you could be blocking your blessing for somebody really good coming into your life, because you never know how this story is going to play out. Only God knows. You don't know. So you just basically have to listen to your intuition. And if your intuition is screaming at you saying, hey, I need to let this person go, no matter, I love them, but they're not doing right by me. They're staying stagnant. They're staying stuck. They're not giving me what it is. I deserve better. You're absolutely right. You do deserve better, so you need to let them go. And yes, it's hard. I'm not going to sit here and say you're going to let them go overnight, but day by day, take it day by day. So let's see. See, somebody's coming out of being worried. They're not worried. They're not frustrated. But see, somebody feels like you don't want to build with them anymore. Yeah, they know they messed up. See, I told you. It's like, okay, somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. I just skipped over signs, y'all. I was in my little element. Somebody could have been dealing with a Pisces. Sorry. But what I'm picking up here is this person, whoever messed up, they know that you guys are done. You're tired. They feel like you don't want to put any more time or energy into them. And this is why I feel like they're freaking out. See? That's when communication is going to come in. You got to close the door on this person. So a lot of you guys, if you're still kind of holding on, let it go, okay? I need you to close the door. Because somebody, I feel like, I'm picking up this energy. It's not for everybody, but this person knows that they can come back whenever they want, and then you're there, So you really got to let it go. And see this other queen that's at the bottom of the deck, and there's a queen here. It's like there was definitely third-party situation here, and that's why they're saying you need to release your ex. Now, the person who's in the situation, I feel like if they're dealing with someone else, they're not happy, and they're needing to let go of this other person to come back towards you. But if they're not making a decision, you make the decision for them, because you're no one's second option. They shouldn't be like, oh, well, let me choose between, these two people. I'm not sure. What? Let me help you. Remove yourself. See? I'm telling you, Once y'all close that door for good, there's communication coming in from this person. This person's going to be confident. They know what they want. They're going to take action. They're coming. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But see, this person feels like they ruined things with you for good. They're feeling like you don't want to have a family with them anymore because of the simple fact that they had other options. You know, I told you this person was definitely being a player. So now I'm seeing a decision is going to be made. The seeds that they planted with you, they want them to grow. But in order for that to happen, they got to walk away from a toxic situation that they were in. They have to walk away from toxic behaviors that they had. Somebody could have been dealing with the Capricorn here. Okay. See, look at that. Did I just say they got to walk away? This person is afraid that by the time they walk away from whatever they were in, it's going to be too late because they're feeling like you're done. You're going to walk away from them. And this is why there's little to no communication. The Emperor tried to come out. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries. See? Third party energy here. Whether it's friends, family, love interest, career, whatever. It's like there was a lot of interference here. And this is why this person feels like they're not going to have this new start with you. See what I'm saying? Look at that. They're not putting in the work because I'm telling you there's something pertaining to money with this other person. And this is the issue. See? I can't make it up. I'm saying that they're going to make a decision, but I'm telling you, they feel like it's too late. They feel like they can't turn things around. But again, I'm seeing another decision here. Tell me more. Yep, they're going to rush back in really fast. But because of the harsh communication, this person said some things to y'all, and I'm not even going to repeat them because somebody was out of line. I'm going to just put it to you like that. So this is why now they're afraid that you're done with them for good, Libra. Like, you cut them off. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra, see? They feel like they're not going to have a new beginning. Somebody basically put it to you like, you know, you're nothing, you're worthless. The person that they, you know, were dealing with or family, they just put you down. That's why I said it's a lot of things that I'm hearing. I'm not even just going to repeat, but they really put you down. And they had you in this place, but the thing is, everything that they said they regretted because they didn't even mean it. They were just in their ego, in their pride, and that's why now their tail is tucked at this point because they want to come back and fix things with you. But they're still going through their lessons, and they're afraid that you're not going to move forward with them. Tell me more. Yep. The Emperor. Reverse. This person didn't bring stability into the situation. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries. Tell me more. Yeah, they hurt you. I told you, they hurt you. But you know what's so interesting? The Queen of Cups came out and it landed right on top of healing family issues. So, like I said, if you don't have a family with this person, I feel like this could be a situation where they have a family with someone else, or this is some type of family dynamic that they're in with their mom or their child's mother, father, you know, whatever. It's some type of family dynamic here that I'm picking up on. Could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But this person isn't listening to their intuition because they're not taking a leap. Spirit is saying they need to get out of the situation, heal things, and then come back towards you. But that's why I told you they're still going through their lessons right now. Because look, they're still they want to balance things out, but they're still having to give to someone else. I told you I felt like them leaving someone, they're going to have to pay up. Somebody's worrying about their money. They're coming to you, but this is why they're not listening to their intuition, because they don't know what could take place financially speaking for them, where they're going to lose it all, see? They're afraid that things may not improve. Tell me more. Let's see. Yeah, but somebody wants to heal things with you because they do want a commitment. Something that leads towards marriage. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius. Somebody could also be dealing with a Taurus. But somebody could be in a commitment or a marriage. And that's why they're trying to heal things. They're trying to balance things out. Trying to work on, like, okay, well, if we're in a relationship, marriage, we got kids. You know, maybe I can give you X, Y, Z. Or we're going through a divorce. You know, let's figure this out. Let's try to work this out so we can, you know, I can be comfortable with whatever I'm having to give to you. But somebody is, like, not having it. But I'm seeing that they are going to get out. This person's going to be single. They are going to free themselves from whatever this situation is. Oh, okay. This was a lesson I told you. Somebody's going through a transformation. But see, it's like Even though they're still going through this with this third party person, again, they know that they broke your heart, but this person is watching you.